Good morning, and thanks to all the participants and organizers of these events. And special thanks also for the time to dedicate to Socomec, and in particular for the Italian market. I'm Pasquale Di Donna, and I'm a business developer for Socomec in the energy storage application. So in this presentation, we will give a general overview of our company, Socomec, and our energy storage offer. And also we go focusing and sharing some results on two real cases realized in Italy. After the presentation, if you want to share with me some comments, you have my contact here, and we are already present with the virtual stand in the beautiful Digicon platform. So we start with the brief introduction of our company, Socomec. So Socomec, an historically family company born in 1922 in France. So this year, the company have 99 years of experience in the design and production of electrical equipment. Some number of our company, our last turnover is about 572 million euros. But the important note is the investment of 10% of these each year in the research and development to have always an innovative product for the market and also for the energy storage. We have a global presence guaranteed by 28 subsidiaries around the world, and 12 production sites, and one of these is also in Italy. About the Italian plant, we speak in our market, and it's important to have this visibility. The factory have 45 years of experience in the design, production, and services for power conversion system, and in particular about battery UPS. So our expertise it's in the management of the battery system start really from here, from this long experience. This expertise, it's just a part of the different application that represent the heart of Socomec. So the rest of our application is power switching with the production of electrical equipment like switching, fuses, and panels, and this is based in France. Power monitoring with the production of advanced measurement system. Power conversion with the production of battery UPS is also based in Italy and France. The services dedicated to each of these applications, and the last born is the energy storage application. In fact, based on these four historical expertise of the group, the energy storage business unit was born in 2016 after the long experience in the solar market. And it was, as you think, it's a natural evolution for us, because all the skills is already present inside our company before. For this reason, in only 5 years, we have created one of the largest range of offer in the market. You see on the right of this slide, and our system, starting from small size system, the minimum size is a 66 kilowatt, and we are able to go until to multi-megawatt with a different application: native outdoor, indoor, containers, and even a special one for temporary mobile application. And this solution is actually used for charge the electrical race vehicles during the Paris-Dakar competition. if you want, you can see more about this particular application on our Socomec social media profile. So our system, as you see, is very flexible and adaptable to different needs. In fact, thanks to this wide range offer, we have been able to adapt in more different world contexts. So thanks to this, we have more than 180 systems around the globe for a different application like microgrid, off-grid, on-grid, and commercial industrial system. It's also possible to draw a different type of map, not geographical, but an application map. So you can see here our different segment of application. We are present in the main market segment about generation and consumption. And today, for this presentation, we're focusing our attention in the commercial industrial application, typically called C&I. This is represent one of the segment with the largest growth prospect for the market. In fact, the C&I offer many possibilities for implementation. Typically, the most requested service for C&I application are related to peak shaving, self-consumption maximization, and backup power. Anyway, in Italy also, with the diffusion of electrical vehicles, is not rare to receive some requests for supply the charging system with the PV, with the photovoltaic plus storage. And in particular for the Italian market, some requests also coming about the possibility of creating the energy communities based on PV, on photovoltaic and energy storage system. Based on these, some energy storage system has already been done in Italy on C&I application, C&I market, and I have selected two particular cases for you to go deeper on this application with our system. So I want to share with you some system C&I installed in Italy last year. In particular, I want to start with the first done by our partner 3EE in Sicily for a local wine and beverage company called Bono Editta, and the second built by our customer Italcem Group for an important infrastructure of a new Genoa bridge. These are two different types of installation. In particular, the first one is in a 10-feet container, and the second is an indoor system installed in the technical room of this infrastructure. Let's start with the containerized solution integrated by Socomec. This particular energy storage system is customized with the logo and with some other things coming from the customer, 10-feet container, include an accurate cooling system, one correctly sited fire safety system, the modular battery energy storage, and all necessary auxiliary equipment like UPS, light, emergency signal, labels, and all needs for safety and accurate integration. Let's go now more in deep on this 3E C&I project in Sicily. You can see here some photo about this project. The context of this project is very, very interesting. The system is installed in a large historical wine company in Marsala, Sicily, and here is a 300 kilowatt rooftop photovoltaic system already existing, plus another 1 megawatt ground system just installed with the 200 kilowatt of new cogenerator. So you imagine the energy context is not simple to manage, and this is very interesting. The energy storage system in 10-feet container is 100 kilowatt with 274 kilowatt hour, based on lithium-ion batteries with the Socomec control system to perform the self-consumption maximization services. And we have on board the remote control device for monitoring and for perform some services application. The expected result about this system is to increase self-consumption by over 30% with the decreasing the injection of renewable energy into the grid and increasing the self-consumption by using the stored energy in the battery according with the energy need by the load, and this is managed completely by our control system. The estimation of return of investment of total project for sure, PV, storage, cogenerator, and so on, is about 9 years. So it's in a good way because the life of the batteries, the life of the system, go up than this limit. This project is not inserted only in a particular energy context, but it's also been done in a very particular moment. In fact, was born in the particular and difficult moment of last year. It's not finished yet, but anyway, for this reason, it was managed completely by remote due to travel restriction. Normally, without this restriction, we're doing the first test of the system on a simulator platform in our factory in France with the presence of the customer. This is an important moment that precedes the shipment of each system to the final destination to have the insurance for the customer and for Socomec about all the stuff is good and is in a good way. Anyway, the COVID did not stop us to sharing the factory acceptance test thanks to a virtual interactive platform connected in real time with the customer. So the times, only 2 months from the order to the test, and the quality of the system, we are not affected by the generally difficult situation. This is a good example of resiliency and probably a good practice for a new way of working for the future. Yes, we hope that this period is finished, but we are ready for this challenge. So let's jump now on the second case study, an indoor C&I application for an infrastructure. As you know, the Genova bridge called Ponte San Giorgio was recently completed. This is an innovative structure with the strong focuses on reduction of energy footprint. As you can see in the photo, a 200 kilowatt PV system has also been installed on the side of the bridge, and an energy storage system has been correct sized for the optimization of self-consumption. So the dimension of these energy storage system are 100 kilowatt with 184 kilowatt hour based on lithium battery, and also include our control system for the maximization of self-consumption and the device for remote control and monitoring. The impact of this photovoltaic plus energy storage system is expected to be around 50% of PV self-consumption increasing. In fact, the load, as you imagine, is almost totally at night due to the lighting. So it was necessary to accumulate, to store the excess of energy of coming from PV during the daytime. The battery will go to discharge during the nighttime according with the load needs, and this is also it's also managed by our control system. About the installation indoor done by our customer Italcem, as you see in the photo, is also clean and made simple by our technical support, always present in all phases of the project, from the start to the commissioning on site. So to conclude this presentation, I want to summarize you the benefit of our offer, in particular, the flexibility for every needs in terms of installation, type of installation, outdoor, indoor, containerized, and mobile. In terms of application, on grid, off-grid, C&I, backup, and microgrids. So, thanks to our renewable technology service and our team of experts, we are really able to follow you in all phases of the project to ensure for you such a fully installation for you and your customer. The presentation is finished. Thank you for your attention, and we'll be happy to receive some comments and why not organize some meeting. Goodbye and keep safe. Buona giornata.